everyone, welcome to our mathematics class. How are you today? As usual, I am Chizzy. Today we are going to have an exciting time because we'll learn about whole number and decimal. First of all, what is decimal? A decimal number can be defined as a number whose number part and the fractional part is separated by a decimal point. It means a decimal has three parts. First is the whole number, second is the decimal point, and third is the fractional part. For example, these are normal whole number. These are units, these are tens, these are hundred. These are decimal points, and these are tenths. We call it tenths. After decimal point, the next number is our tenth. This tenths or 1/10. This one is hundredths or 3/100. Remember I told you that decimal has three parts. The first part from the left hand side is our normal hundred, tens and units. Then we have our decimal point here. Then we have the next number after decimal from the left to the right is called tenths. Tenths or 1/10. Then the next one is hundredths. Hundredths or 3/100. Okay, let's draw our decimal chart. These are decimal charts. The first one is hundredths. Then have our decimal points. We have our tenths. And we have our hundredths. Then our 2 will be here. Here. These are 100. 5 is our tens. Units is our 2. Then we have our decimal points. We have our tenth, 1/10. This means 1 out of 10. 1 part out of 10. Then these are hundredths. 3/100. This means 3 out of 100. Look at this number here. You might be asked, what is the place value of 9 in this number? The place value of 9 is units. The last number is always a unit. The last number from the whole number. Remember I told you this side is our whole number separated by decimal. Then we have our fractional parts. The place value of 9 is units. What is the digit in the 10th place? When you look at this number, which one is in the 10th place? Look at it here. 6. Because I told you that after decimal, we have tenths, hundredths, thousands, and so on. So what is the digit in the 10th place? The digit in the 10th place is 6. The next one is, what is the digit in the thousands place? When you look at this number, we have our normal tens and units, we have our decimal points, we have tenths, we have hundredths, we have thousands, and we have 10,000s. So this is our thousands. So the digit in the thousands place is 7. The answer is 7. Now do this. 7, 3, 2 0.14. What is the place value of 3 in this number? Then the next one, what is the digit in the hundredths place? We have come to the end of today's lesson. I believe you understand my lesson today. Please, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and follow my Facebook page for more interesting topics. Thank you and God bless. Bye.